Okay, that was a really bad intro. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And it's the next day. In today's video, it's about my cutie pie. She's just kidding. Come on, I'm not. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, right now, my cutie pie cat. She's not called Cutie Pie, but she's so cute. So that I just bought her yesterday. She's about to come in the camera. Yesterday, I bought her yesterday, and she's gonna choose what should I do for the day. That's the worst idea ever because.
So right now, guys, I'm gonna put my TikTok account on the screen.
I put it actually only words, like only one word, clean, not clean, because these are the first two we're gonna do. So yeah, I just put it there before the video. So I wrote not clean and clean. So yeah, let's see which one she's gonna choose, and then the next one. If she chose actually not clean, that would be the worst day. And if she chose clean, that would be the best day. So let's get started. Okay, right now, I put in the stuff here. Let's see, which one is she gonna choose? Let me just bring her. She's just right next to me. But a little bit, like 2 feet away. Okay. Hey, baby girl. Okay. Which one are you gonna choose? Okay, let's put it here. Choose one. Choose one. Come on. Okay, I think I got it. Yeah. She loves playing with this thingy. Yeah. This. Okay, which one are you gonna choose? This one or this one? Let's see. The one that she touches with her hands or licks it, that's the one that we're gonna do. Oh no, she chose this one with her mouth. But I don't know if you saw this. But yeah, she did like move this like that. So I guess we're not gonna clean today. I really needed to clean my bedroom. Let's try one more time because I don't really know if she saw it. So one more time, please. I'm so scared of that. Come on, choose one. Choose one. Come on, choose. Just choose. Baby, choose. My cute little. Okay, which one are you gonna choose? She actually moved it again. Oh no, do not pause the video. Phew. She chose this one again. She moved it a little bit, but you did not see that. She did like this, if you saw it. She did that. I'm not trying to be mean, guys. So I think we're not gonna clean today. Worst thing ever. Okay, next thing. I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do. Should I do a paper squishy? Or, oh my god, freaking heck, dude. Okay, she's a girl, I know. So we will see. Should I do a paper squishy or not do a paper squishy? So if she chose not again, that would be like so bad to me. Oh no, fetch, okay? It's right over there. Okay, so on to the next one. Next one is do a paper squishy here or not to do a paper squishy. Sorry about my handwriting. I actually write very good, but I'm exhausted because yesterday we wrote a lot in school. So, okay. Sweetie pie. I think I'm gonna get her attention. I know how. Okay. Sweetie pie. She's about to come. Oh boy. Oh boy. Like, and she's about to scratch me. She has long nails. Oh my legs. Oh my. Okay, choose one. She chose. Do not do a paper squishy. Oh! I really love making paper squishies. Mission accomplished. I'll do a paper squishy and come back. Okay, I actually started coloring right now. The paper squishy that I'm gonna do. And I'm so happy because I really wanted to do a paper squishy, but I said, how about, let's see, is she gonna choose or not? So, yeah. But at least there's a little bit of red in my marker. And I'm trying to do a strawberry. So, yeah. Next, I will get the green here and do the top. That will be hard to tape this part. But I think I'm gonna do it, I will cut it in a square. Well, I don't want to really cut it in a square, but I will. I have to. Okay. Next, we're gonna make the seed. The seed with light yellow. I mean dark yellow. I won't show, so I'm gonna use black for this. Okay, I'm just gonna bring the whole thing. Black. But not too much. Just little dots of black. What the heck did she just do? Okay. Done with the little dots. Now time for actually my table is messy, but I dragged the messy stuff away. So yeah. Like this. Got my ass elected. Actually looking for my gray marker. Because it was on the table. Let me check if it's in here. Yeah, it's in here. But it was on my table. Okay, you will outline a square. How did she come here? Okay. And from the back, there was a nerds I wanted to make. Not my scissors, okay? But I changed my mind and I said, So, yeah, now time to eliminate it. I'll go get my tape from the bed, so I'll be right back. Or no, I'll be back when I'm done with the paper squishy. So guys, I wanted to tell you just a message. This video might be pretty long, so please stay tuned. Guys, I'm filling it right now, so see you when it's time to squish it. Okay, I'm back. I'm done with the paper squishy. It's slow rising, but not that much. So there's a part that is not closed. So I'm gonna try to close it. Yay, bullseye! I closed it. So I'll give you the last squish and head on the next one. Well, not the next squishy, the next thing. You love this. Okay. Who's the other squishies? Okay, I almost hit it, my cat. Next one. Next, next decision for my cat. Okay, I'm back with the next ideas. Okay, the next idea is draw from my own idea or draw from Art for Kids Hub. I really want Art for Kids Hub because they drew a unicorn and I want a kitty corn and I want to like copy it, so yeah. Okay. Cutie pie. Come on, are you sad? Cutie pie, come on. Oh, come on, cutie pie. Okay, first we will put this here. No, do not choose. I have to put this. Now, go to the back. Okay, choose. Come on, choose. Move. Come on, move. She just left. Okay, I'm gonna get her favorite toy to come closer that I can't find, so she can play with, like, woo! Come on. Okay. Choose. Okay, choose. Choose now. Like, she turned away, not touched it. Okay, just try again. Like, come on, choose. Choose, just choose. She touched. Yay! Draw from Art for Kids Hub. Yoo-hoo! You are going away. I will draw and then come back. So, yeah. I'm back, guys. After drawing the cute kitty corn. Yeah, and I actually wanted to make it a paper squishy, so I'm gonna ask my cat. I made it, I cut it and closed it and these stuff to get ready, because if she said yes, so yeah, and if she chose, I turn it into a paper squishy. So yeah, because I really want to. Let's just continue. So I'll bring my cat because she's not in my room now. Because this took me an hour to draw. And it's so easy. I don't know how did it take me an hour to draw this. And it's so easy. Okay, I laminated the back now. And I laminated the front. I will bring the cat and come back. She's scared because she saw herself. Okay, are you ready for the next one? She's so cute. She's a sweetie pie. So, I'll write it. So I wrote not because if she chose not, That would be so bad. So I hope she chooses to turn it into a paper squishy. I hope so. Okay. So this one I'll stick it on. This one I'll stick it on something else. And this one I will stick it on. Okay, never mind. On my marker cup. Yeah, you heard it. Marker cup. So. She's like, making my cat choose the things for the day is so fun. And if you want a part 2, like the video if you want part 2. Just give it 5 likes if you want part 2, okay? Or just give it 2 likes for part 2. So yeah, here I sticked it. And I sticked it. Okay, I'll be ready. Oh, the video started. Okay, I actually love that squishy that we made. It's super surprising. Okay. Wait, where are you, kitty cat? Okay. Put this here. And this here. I hope she chooses this. Okay, I'm gonna get her. Woohoo! Okay, I will get her favorite toy so she can choose. Okay, choose. Okay, choose. Just choose. I'll let her choose so you do not cheat. Choose, just choose. Choose, come on. Choose for one. This one or this one. Choose just this. Oh, wait, I got an idea. The one that she passes from, she passes from this side means this one. If she passes from this side, means this one. So wait. When I say go, just pass. Which one? You just sat down. Just which one? Just choose. You. She chose this one. Okay, I'll make it into a paper squishy and come back. Oh, I was. Okay. Okay, I'm back with my paper squishy I made. It's not that slow rising as you think. These parts has to be closed. I love it, but I love this one more because of the squishiness, but I love the design I made. So, yeah. Okay, next one is play with my cat and not play with my cat. I really want to play with her. So, let's see what she's going to choose. Do you want me to play with you? Do you want me to play with you, baby? Okay, let's see. Let's see which one she's going to choose. The one that she passes through, I have to do. But I think she does not. Wait. It does not count because it did not say 3, 2, 1, go. Okay? I almost got scratched by her. Okay. Come on, choose. Okay. Come on. She went for this one. Okay, baby. She gets scared for my favorite squishy. Now I'm gonna show you how I play with her. Ooh. Look, I'm gonna show you something cute she does. Come on, baby. Memoir. She stands. Memoir. Come on, Memoir. Oh no, she almost scratched me. If you know what does me a more mean, tell me down in the comments below. But I know actually, but I want to know if you know too. Look. So cute. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. She's scared. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below for more videos. And if you want part 2, give this video 2 likes. Okay? Like any parts, like if you when I say maybe if you want part 2, give me 2 likes. If you want part 3, give me 3 likes. If you want part 4, give me 4 likes. If you want part 5, give me 5 likes. If you want part 6, like this, okay? So, if you give this video 2 likes, I'm gonna make part 2, so, bye! Oh, you need another one in 3, 2, 1.